Welcome dear students and friends to this channel. So today I will continue where we left in the previous lecture. So that is collision resolution technique we were discussing in previous lecture. So the remaining part I will discuss in this lecture. So if you remember, then in previous lecture I discussed what collision resolution technique, that is chaining and open addressing. So in open addressing subtypes, the first part is over, that is linear probing. So now we will continue and discuss the other parts of collision resolution technique, that is specifically open addressing techniques. So that is quadratic quadratic probing, or other way of saying quadratic hashing, and double hashing and perfect hashing. So stay tuned, observe very carefully. So let's start. So the first one is the second is quadratic probing. So the linear probing we already saw, that is open addressing type. Second is quadratic probing. So the general format for quadratic probing is like this, that h of key comma 0. So if you remember in linear probing में क्या होता था कि h of key comma 0 equal to h of key plus 0 and mod of m. So here quadratic means we are going to second power of that, है ना. So जो भी probing number है, attempt number है, so this is what, this is probe number, this is probe या attempt number, okay. So what we are doing, we are just going to the second power of that attempt number. For example, first attempt, so h of key plus 1 plus 1 power 2 mod m. Second attempt, so in general if it is m minus 1th attempt, so h of key comma m minus 1 equals to h of key plus m minus 1 plus m minus 1 ka whole square and mod of m. So this is in general, but if we generalize the concept, so that this formula is there for quadratic probing, that h of key comma I equals to h1 of key plus c1 dot I plus c2 dot I. So here I is what, I is the probe number, this I is what, this is probe number, and what is this c1 and c2? So c1 and c2 are constant. So in this our case that we have taken up till here, so here c1 and c2 we assumed it as what, 1 in our case. But maybe in what some realistic example or realistic question, there may be the values are given, okay, there may be a chance c1 and c2 are constant. So means ultimately probing हम कहाँ तक ले जा रहे हैं, attempt number का square तक कर रहे हैं, okay, in case of what, collision. Now observe carefully. So I am solving this question. So by using quadratic probing, so size is given as 10, h of x hash function is x mod m, and h of key comma I is given as like the same quadratic formula, that h of key plus c1 dot I plus c2 dot I square. So it is probe number ka square mod of m. Keys are given 10, 25, 11, 30. These are keys. Collision resolution technique we are using quadratic probing, and c1 and c2 by default they are assuming as 1. So means ultimately the formula is simple, h of key comma I equal to h of key plus I square mod m, and as simple as that. Now observe very carefully. So what will happen in first attempt, observe very carefully, है ना. So in first attempt h of what, 10. So what is h of 10? h of 10 में आएगा 10 mod 10, so it is 0. Now h of 10 comma 0. So now how to calculate h of 10 is what, 0 plus attempt number is 0 and plus 0 ka square, and then it is what, mod of 10. So this will return what, this will return only 0, okay. So in case of 0 also it is evident that 0 पे हमारा space available है, तो ये 10 कहाँ आ जाएगा, 10 will be stored at 0. Now next is 25. Observe very carefully, simple formula we are using, h of 25. तो 25 mod 10 करेंगे, so 25 mod 10 will give you 5 as the answer. और फिर इसका हम जब कैलकुलेशन करेंगे 0th प्रोब के लिए, तो 25,0, so this is what 25 की वैल्यू it is 5 and plus प्रोब नंबर 0 and it is 0 square, क्वाड्रेटिक है तो स्क्वायर तक जाना है, and then mod of what, mod of 10. So this will give you what, 5 plus 0, so it is overall 5 mod 10 is what, 5. तो फिफ्थ पे हम देखेंगे, ओके, फिफ्थ पे स्पेस इज अवेलेबल, तो हम फिफ्थ पे क्या स्टोर कर देंगे, 25 will be stored at fifth. Now next is 11. So 11 आपको दिख रहा होगा, 11 भी है ना, सिंपल 0th स्लॉट में ही स्पेस अवेलेबल हो जाएगा 1 पे, तो 11 कहाँ हो जाएगा, 1 पे स्टोर हो जाएगा ना. ऑब्जर्व वेरी केयरफुली. सो if you have any doubt, then let me write h of 11 equal to 1, and h of 11 comma 0 is what, 1 plus 0 plus 0 square and mod of 10. So this is what, this is 1 only. So है ना, space is available, so it will store. Now 38. So 38 is also 8th पे store हो जाएगा, 0th probe में, first attempt में. There is no collision. So h of 38, observe carefully, so it is 8, and h of 38 comma 0, so this will return you what, it is 38. So h of 38 is what, calculated already, it is 8. So 8 plus probe number 0 and 0 square and mod of 10. So this will give you what, 8 as the answer. So 8 and at location 8 space is available, so 38 will be stored at 8. Now come to 17. So 17 also there is no problem, 7th space is available. So h of 17. So what will happen in this case, that h of 17 is going to be 17 mod 10 is what, 7. So h of 17 comma 0. Now we calculate according to the quadratic probing formula. So it is what, h of 17 is what, 7 plus 0 square and mod of what, mod of 10. So this will return you what, 7. So space is available at location 7, yeah of course. 7th पे क्या store हो जाएगा, it is 17. And now observe carefully. Now next value it is coming as what, 99. So I think there is also no problem at 99. So h of 99. So h of 99 पे क्या आएगा, 99 mod 10, remaining is what, 9. If you divide 99 by 10, then the remainder is what, 9. So again the same thing, just calculate it for 99 comma 0. So h of 99 is 9 and plus 0th probe and probe square and mod of what, mod of 10. So this will give you 9 as the answer. Okay, so 9th पे space is available, yeah of course. So 9th पे क्या store हो जाएगा, it is what, 99. Now 44. So 44, so 44 I think space is available, 44 also. So it is 44 divided by 10, so remainder is 4, and h of 44 comma 0. So this will give you, h of 44 is what, 4 plus probe number is 0 plus 0 square because it is quadratic probing, and mod of what, mod of 10. So this will give you what, 4 as the answer. So 4th पे space is available, yeah of course. तो 4th पे क्या आ जाएगा, 44 will be there. Now observe carefully. So 29, in case of 29, observe very carefully. So in case of 29, h of 29, तो h of 29 कितना है, 29 mod 10, so it is 9. Now हम check करते हैं 0th probe के लिए is space is available. It is clearly observable that at 9 slots is 99 stored, है ना. So 29 comma 0, which is nothing but h of 29 is 9 plus attempt number 0 plus 0 square and mod of 10. So this will give you 9. So 9 पे unsuccessful हुआ because 9 पे 99 already stored है. So then in that case change the attempt number of probe number. So 99 comma 1. So what will happen, 99 comma 1. So it is h of 99 is 9 plus attempt number is 1 plus 1 square and mod of 10. So see what will happen, that 9 plus 1 plus 1 is 11. So 11 mod 10, it is what, 11 mod 10 is what, it is 1 only. Okay, तो अगर फर्स्ट पे हम ऑब्जर्व करें तो है ना, फर्स्ट पे ऑलरेडी 11 इज देयर है ना. बट अगर सपोज ये लीनियर प्रोबिंग होता तो 99 कॉमा, इट इज नॉट 99, इट इज 29 है ना, इट इज 29. तो 29 के केस में अगर 29 1 पे करते तो वो 0 पे आता है ना यहाँ पे. तो यहाँ नंबर ऑफ जो है कोलिजन्स ज्यादा होते हैं लीनियर प्रोबिंग, बट क्वाड्रेटिक में क्या है, जंप कर रहे हैं जस्ट, है ना. फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में हम जस्ट स्क्वायर जंप कर रहे हैं 1 का, सेकंड अटेम्प्ट में 2 का स्क्वायर करोगे ना, तो देन वी आर जस्ट गोइंग टू अ रैंडम लोकेशन, दैट्स व्हाई. सो इट इज 1 पे अगेन कोलिजन होगा अनफॉर्चुनेटली. नाउ h ऑफ अटेम्प्ट, चेंज द अटेम्प्ट नंबर. सो 29, 2, h of 29 is 9 plus 2 plus what, 2 square, attempt का square, and mod of what, mod of 10. So this will return you 9 plus 2 11, 11 plus 4 is what, 13. 13 mod 10 is going to be 3. Okay, so if you observe 3 space is available, so 29 will be stored at what, 3. So perfect. So this is the case over here. And now last one is what, 33. So 33 देखेंगे, 33. So h of 33, let me do this also. h of 33, 33 mod 10 आएगा आपका 3. तो पहले हम 0 या 31 पे कैलकुलेट करते हैं. तो h of 33 प्रोब नंबर 0. So h of 33 is 3 plus probe number 0 and 0 square and mod of what, mod of 10. So this will return what, 3 plus 0, so it is 3 divided by 10, so remainder is 3 only. So 3 पे already है ना, some value is there, so means unsuccessful, means collision. So now change the attempt. So attempt change करेंगे 33,1. So 33,1 पे जब आप करेंगे, so in case of 33,1 what will happen कि h of 33 is what, 3 plus attempt number it is 1 and plus 1 square. So what will happen in that case, and mod of 10. The final result will be 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 mod 10 is going to be 5. So now observe what, for 5 25 is available at 5 है ना. So again change the probe है ना, probe number. So 33,2. Now observe what will happen at 2. H of 33 is 3, already calculated. So now next probe number is 2 and it is 2 square and mod of 10. So this will return what, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 4 9, 9 mod 10 is going to be 9. So at 9 already there. So now again change it. So h of 33 comma what, 3. So h of 33 comma 3. So what will happen, h of 33 is 3 plus 3 and plus 3 square and mod of 10. So what will happen, 3 plus 3 is 6 and it is 9, 9 plus 6 is 15, 15 divided by 9, so 9 1 9, so it will return what, 6. So if you observe carefully, so at 6 space is available, so this 33 will be stored at 6th location. So these are the what, this is the concept of what, quadratic probing. We will see one more question. So in case of we calculate what, number of collisions, for example number of collisions. So here keys and here I am writing what, collisions. So for not like this, simply just write number of collisions because space is not available. Okay, तो number of collisions कितने होंगे, 10 के केस में नहीं हुआ, 25 के केस में नहीं, 11 के केस में no collision, 38 is no collision, 17 is no collision, 99 is no collision, 44 is also no collision, but 29 के केस में 0 1, तो 2 collisions हुए थे, सेकंड में इसको स्पेस मिला था. So it is 2 plus है ना. और फिर 33 के केस में कितने हुए, 0 1 and 2, 3 collisions are there. So overall if I calculate number of collisions, so there are 5 number of collisions, okay, in case of linear probing. But it may be more in what, linear probing. If we use linear probing for collision resolution technique, then definitely there are some more collisions in that case. Now again do one more sum. So the problem is saying that so here the C1 and C2 value is given. Okay, so C1 and C2 value is given. So firstly calculate for what, 10. Observe very carefully. Firstly we are calculating for 10. So h of 10. So what will happen, h of 10? So so formula is given as what, h of 10. So what it is, h of x equals to x mod what, m. m is what, 11 in this case. So हम क्या करेंगे कि सबसे पहले 10 mod 11 करेंगे, तो 10 mod 11 will give you what, 10 only. तो हम पहले इसका प्रूफ चेक करेंगे whether it is available or not. So h of 10 comma 0. तो h of 10 comma 0 जो हम कैलकुलेट करेंगे, so observe very carefully, C1 and C2 values are given. तो यहाँ किस तरीके से कैलकुलेशन होगा, h of 10 is what, it is 10 only, plus C1 into 0, so 1 into 0 plus C2 3 into 0 square and mod of what, 11. Getting my point? तो इसमें क्या होगा इस केस में, फिलहाल तो ये 0 ही है, तो it is 10 mod 11 is what, 10. So यहाँ स्पेस अवेलेबल है 10 पे. So simply just store 10 at 10th location. Now come to 22. So h of 22. So what will happen in this case? H of 22. So 22 mod 11. So this will give you 0 as answer. Okay. So finally, it is very much observable that it will be stored at 0. But anyhow, H of 22 is 0 plus C1 is 1 into 0 plus C2 is 3 into 0 square, and mod of what? Mod of 11. So this will return you what? This will return you 0 as the answer. So H of 0 is 0th location is already, yes, it is vacant. So 22 will be stored at this location. Now 31, observe very carefully. So H of 31, so H of 31, 31 mod 11. So 11 to the 23 and remaining is what? 9. So 9 will be the answer. So ninth place is already available, so it is stored. But anyhow, calculate 31 comma 0. So how to calculate? H of 31 is 9 plus C1 is 1 into probe number is 0 plus C2 is 3 into probe number 0, it's a square, and mod of 11. So this will give you what? 9 and plus 0. So 9 mod 11 is 9. So ultimately ninth place space is available. So 31 will be stored at 9. Okay. Now take next one. So what is next? Next is 4. So it is 4 also space is available. So H of 4. So 4 mod 11 is what? 4, and H of 4 comma 0. So it is H of 4 is 4 plus C1 is 1 dot 0 plus not it is 1. C2 is what? 3. So it is 3 dot 0 square and mod of what? 11. So this will give you what? 4 as the answer. So as it is clearly observable that fourth space is available. So 4 will be stored at fourth location. Now come to next part. So next part is what? Next part is 15. So what about 15? Observe very carefully. H of 15. So H of 15 means 15 mod 11. So this will give you 4. So there is a chance of collision. Definitely there is collision because fourth. So H of 15 comma 0. So what will happen? So H of 15 is 4 plus C1 is 1 dot 0 plus C2 is 3 dot 0 square and mod of 11. So this will give you 4 as answer. So definitely collision because fourth space is not available. So now change the probe number. So what will be changed? So it is 15 comma 1. So H of 15 is what? 4 plus C1 is what? C1 is it is 1 dot 1 and 3 dot what? 1 square, and it is mod of 11. So now calculate this. So 4 into 1 dot 1 is 1 and 3. So 3 plus 1, 4 and 4, 8. So 8 mod 11 is going to be 8. So yeah, 8 space is available. So you can store 15 at 8th location. So this is the beauty of this, that it is calculating the in quadratic fashion. So there are more chances for getting space. So less number of collisions as compared to the previous techniques. So this 15 is over. Now next is what? 18. So take 18, H of 18. So H of 18, so this will give you 18 mod 11. 18 mod 11 is what? 7. So okay, space is available at 7. So there is no issue. H of 18 comma 0. So this will give you H of 18 is what? 7 plus 1 dot 0 plus what? 3 dot 0 square and mod of 11. What is this 1 and 3? So C1 and C2 values already given in question. So this will return you 7. So 7th space is available. Yeah. So now it is a good luck for us. So just put 7th place what? 18. So 18 will be stored at 7th. Now 17. So what about 17? So H of 17. So 17 mod 11. So this will give you what? 11 1 11 6. 6. Yeah, of course. Good luck. Space is available. So 17 comma 0. So this will give you what? H of 17 is what? It is 6 plus 1 dot 0 plus 3 dot 0 square and mod with 11. So this will give you what? 6 as the answer. So at 6 space is available. 17 will be stored at 6. Now next is 88. So In case of 88, there may be chance of collision. So 88. So observe carefully for 88. So 11, 88 mod 11 will be 0. Yeah, definitely collision because 22 is already stored at that point. So but anyhow calculate. So 88 comma 0. So what will happen? H of 88 is 0 plus 1 dot 0 plus 3 dot 0 square and mod of 11. So this will return you what? 0. So at 0 already occupied, so there is a collision. So H of 88 comma 1. So now what will happen? Observe. So H of 88 is what? 0 plus 1 dot, it is 1, probe number 3 dot 1 square and mod of 11. So observe carefully, it is what? 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 mod 11 is going to be what? 4. So again there is a collision. Okay, so now change the probe H of 88 comma 2. So now what will happen? H of 88 comma 2. So what will happen in case of H of 88 comma 2? So H of 88 is what? Already calculated. It is 0. So 0 plus 1 dot 2 plus 3 dot probe number 2. So it is 2 square and mod of what? Mod of 11. So this will return you 1 into 2 2 and it is 4 into 3 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. 14 mod 11 is going to be 3. Observe, so 3, yeah, space is available. So 88 will be stored at what? 88 will be stored at 3. So this is the beauty of that, that it is going, jumping to a random location. Now next is what? 59. So what is 59? So H of 59. Observe carefully. So this is the previous case. Now H of 59. So H of 59 means 59 mod 11, as we are already doing this lot many times. 11 5 is 55, remaining is 4. So we know fourth pair and a space is not available, but anyhow calculate for the probe with the use of quadratic formula. So it is what? 59 comma 0. So how to calculate? H of 59 is what? 4 plus 1 dot 0 plus 3 dot, C2 is 3 dot 0 square and mod of 11. So this will give you 4 as the answer. So definitely there is a collision. So then H of, change the probe, 59 comma 1. So H of 59 is what? H of 59 is 4 already calculated plus 1 dot probe number 1 plus 3, C2 is 3 dot probe number 1. So it is 1 square and mod of 11. So this will give you what? 4 plus 1 is 5 and 5 plus 3 is 8. So 8 mod 11 is what? 8. So 8, yeah, it is already occupied. So again collision. So now change it. So 59 comma 2. So what will happen? H of 59 is 4 plus C1 is 1 dot probe number is 2 plus C2 is 3 dot probe number is 2. So 2 square and we are supposed to mod it with 11. So finally the result will be 4 plus 2 is 6 and it is 4 3 is 12, 12 and 6 18. So 11, 18 mod 11 is what? 7. So 7, yeah, it is already occupied. So again change the probe. So 59 comma 3. So H of 59 is what? 4 plus C1 is 1, probe number is 3 plus C2 is what? 3 and probe number is 3. So 3 square and mod of 11. So what will happen? 4 plus 3 is 7 and it is 9 3 is 27. 27 and 7 is 34. 34 and mod 11. So 34 mod 11 will give you what? 34 mod 11, 11. So it is 1. Now observe, yeah, of course 1 is available, so 1 is available, that means 59 will be stored at 1. So this is over. Okay, now observe some important points in this. So now we are calculating what? Number of collisions. Number of collisions. So here keys and here collisions and writing. Okay, now observe very carefully. So the very first thing is in case of what? 10, so there is no collision. So in case of 10, collisions are 0. In case of 22 also collision is no collision is there. In case of 31, so no collision. 31, no collision. In case of 4, no collision at all. So 4 के केस में भी no collision at all. So this is the 0, है ना? This is for this. Now after 4, 15. So in case of 15, observe carefully. 15 के केस में there is one collision, है ना? So one collision is there. And in case of 18, no collision. 17, no collision. 18, no collision. 17, no collision. And then 88, so there is 1, 2, 2 collisions, है ना? Because this page also it. So 88, 2 collisions. And in case of what, 59, how many collisions? It is 1 at 0th, at 1 and 2, so it is 3 collisions. So total number of collisions are what? It is 3 plus 2, 5 and 1, 6 collisions are there. Okay, so anyhow it may be less number of collisions as compared to linear probing. So there are some few important notes, that if two keys contain same starting hash address, so there may be both will follow the same path unnecessarily. Because of this reason average searching time will increase, है ना? अगर दो कीज जो है सेम एड्रेस पे मैच करती हैं स्टार्टिंग में, तो वो सेम पाथ फॉलो करेंगे, बिकॉज अल्टीमेटली वी आर यूजिंग द सेम फॉर्मूला, क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्मूला. तो उस केस में क्या होगा, जब सेम पाथ फॉलो करेंगे तो अननेसेसरली दे आर फॉलोइंग द सेम पाथ. तो दैट्स व्हाई दिस रीजन, है ना, दिस इज द रीजन ऑफ व्हाट, इंक्रीज इन द एवरेज सर्चिंग टाइम. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट इज दिस प्रॉब्लम इज नोन एज व्हाट, सेकेंडरी क्लस्टरिंग. सो प्राइमरी क्लस्टरिंग में देखा था लीनियर प्रोबिंग में, तो उसमें क्या था कि अगर कुछ स्लॉट्स ऑलरेडी फिल हैं तो वो फिल स्लॉट्स के बाद हमें स्पेस मिल रहा था, है ना. So that is what due to what that problem is known as primary clustering. So in secondary, in quadratic linear probing, there is a chance of primary clustering, and there is a problem of primary clustering. And quadratic probing, there is a problem of secondary clustering. Okay, now quadratic probing is suffering from secondary clustering. It is very obvious. Now come to double hashing. So this is the third type of hashing, है ना, open addressing और open hashing. So double hashing. So double hashing में क्या है, two hash functions we are using simply. So h of k comma I, k is key comma I. So h1 of k हम पहले first hash function apply कर रहे हैं, plus I means this is again what, the probe number, है ना, this is again the probe number. And h2 second hash function apply कर रहे हैं, then finally we are adding those and mod of m for I belongs to 0 to m minus 1 for m chances, है ना, m probe. h1 is given as what, h1 is what, k mod m, and h2 is we are assuming what, 1 plus, so दो यहाँ पे क्या है, hash function है. So this is first and this is second. So double hashing means two hash functions we are using. Second is what, 1 plus k mod m minus 1. Now observe carefully. So it is already given, all the things are given in question, all the things are given in question. So what are the things, observe very carefully. That m is what, 13. So 13 means 0 to 12, and first hash function is given as what, k mod 13, and second mod function is given as what, 1 plus k mod. So now calculate it. So for 79, collision resolution technique is, keys are given, collision resolution technique is double hashing, and hash function is given like this. Okay, so h of what, key is what, 79, and comma probing is what, 0. So what we are supposed to do, that h1 of k, so h1 of k means 79 mod 13, 79 mod 13, है ना, and plus I is what, I is in our case 0, 0 into h2 is what, so 0 is h2, so this will be what, this will be 0 in this case, है ना, because it is multiplied, and mod with what, finally modding with m, so m is what, 13. Okay, now observe 79 mod 13, so 13 5 is 65, 13 6 is 78, so 1, and 1 plus 0 is 1 and mod 13 is 1. So this is what 1. So 1 space is available. Yeah, of course. So 79 will be stored at first place. Now what about h of second is 69. So 69 comma 0. So h of 69. So what is 69? Again 69 mod 13. So this is what? This is h1. This is h1. This complete thing is h1 plus I. So what is I? I is 0 and this is h2. Because it is 0, so whatever the value, so this is 0 only. If you multiply anything with 0, so finally result is 0. Now, so what will be the answer? So 13, 5 ja 65, so remaining is 4. So 4 plus 0 is 4. 4 mod 13 is going to be 4. So space is available. So this will be stored. 69 will be stored at 4. Ultimately, very simple concept. Double hashing means we are using two hash functions. Okay, applying those two hash functions in order to calculate whether the space is available or not. So now third. So third is what? Third is 72. Observe very carefully. So 72 comma 0. 72 comma 0. So first is what? 72 mod 13 according to the first hash function. So this is our h1 and plus what is I value? I value is 0. So multiply anything with 0. That's why I am not writing h2. So it is 0 only, and 13. So this will give you what? 72 mod 13. So 13 5 ja 65 and 65, then 7 will be remaining. So 7 plus 0 is 7. 7 mod 17 is 13 is 7. So this will be result what? 7 only. So final result is 7. So ultimately space is available at 7. So 72 will be stored at 7. Okay, finally 98. So in case of 98, h of 98 comma 0. Observe very carefully. So it is 98 mod of 13. तो ये क्या हुआ हमारा? This is our h1 and plus what is the value of I? So I is what? 0 in this case, and h2 whatever value, because ये 0 ही होना है, multiply हो रहा है 0 से, and mod is mod with 13. So at 98 mod 13. So 13 7 ja 13 8 ja I think 13 8 ja 91 है ना, 13 7 ja 91. Okay, 13 7 ja 91, remaining is 7. So 7 plus 0 is 7. 7 mod 13 is going to be 7. So this will result to what? 7. Okay, so there is a collision, so in case of collision just change it. So change the probe number. Now it is very interesting. Change the probe number. So if you change the probe number, so 98 comma 1. So what will happen in this case? That 98 mod what 13. So this is your h1. This is your h1 plus now I value has changed. So I value is what? 1. Now हमें पूरा लिखना पड़ेगा h2. So h2 is what? So according to question, h2 is 1 plus k. K is what? K is what? 98 and mod 11. 98 mod 11. Okay, and overall mod is what? Mod with 13. So observe carefully. So this will return you what? Again 7 plus 1 into this is what? 98 mod 11. So 11 8 ja 88. So 10 will be 10 plus 1 is 11, and so this is 11 and mod with 13. So finally you will get what? 11 plus 7 is what? 18. 18 mod 13. So 13 in the 13. So it is 5. So okay, fine. So 5 पे space available है. So 93, 98 will be stored at 5th location. So 98 is over. Now next value is what? Next value is 14. So in case of 14, observe carefully. So h of 14 comma 0. So h of 14 comma 0. So again follow the same process. So it is 14 mod 13. h1 is k mod 13. So 14 mod 13. So this is our h1, and plus I value is what, 0, and you can multiply with any value 0, so the result is 0 only. And mod with what, mod with this is with yeah, this is with 13, mod with 13. So finally you will get what, 13, 14 mod 13 is 1, 1 plus 0, so ultimately 1 will be the answer. So 1, yeah, no space is not available, so there is a failure. So again 14 comma 1. Okay, so this one, this is the case of 1, so there is a failure. Now 14 comma 1. So what is h1? H1 is key is 14, 14 mod 13. So this is h1. तो अब हमें क्या भी लिखना पड़ेगा, या h2 भी लिखना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज h2 क्यों, कभी 1 है, मल्टीप्लाई होगा. सो नाउ h2. So what about h2? So here also this is what, this is h2, this complete thing is what, h2 है ना. Now h2, so h2, according to h2, 1 plus key is what, key is 14 and mod with 11, I think, and it is 11. Observe, yeah, it is 11, and mod with 30. So just calculate it. So it is 1 plus 1 into, so this is 11 and 14, so 3 plus 1 4, so 4 plus 1 is 5, and 5 mod 13. So this will give you what, 5 as the answer. So again collision. Okay, because 5 पे already value is stored है. So now what will happen, h of next is change the probe number. So 14 comma 2. So now what will happen, कि 14 mod of 13. So this is our what, this is our h1, and plus I change to 2, and what about h2? So h2 is 1 plus key is what, key is 14 and mod with 11. Okay, so this is the case, and finally this will be mod with 13. So this is what, this is completely h2, and here it is what, it is also h2. Okay, now calculate it. So this will give you what, it is what, 14 mod 13 will give you 1, and plus it is 2, and multiplied with it is 3 plus 1 4, so 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1 is 9, and 9 mod 13 is going to be 9. So observe 9 पे, yeah, space is available. So finally this is over. So 14 will be stored at 9. So 14 will be stored at 9. Yeah. Now come to 15. So 15. So come to 50. What about 50? So h of 50 comma 0. So it is 50 mod of 13. So this is what, this is h1, and this is h1, and plus I is what, 0, and h2 whatever, you know, if you multiply this with 0, so finally you will get what, 0 only, because 0 is having very simple formula. If you fight with 0, you will become 0. So 15 mod, so what will be the solution for that? So finally you will get 13 4 ja 52, and 13 3 ja 39. So it is 11. So 11. So 11 mod 13 is going to be 11. So 11th location, yeah, space is available. Okay. So this is our good luck. So 11th location 50 will be stored. So 11th 50 will be stored. Now the last one is what, 66. Observe carefully. So h of 66. So h of 66 comma 0. So what will happen, that 66 mod of 13. So this is our h1, and plus I. So what is I is 0, and multiply with anything, so this will result 0 only. So mod of 13. So finally what will happen, 13 5 is 65, 1, so 1 plus 0 is 1, so 1, yeah, it is already occupied. So this is giving me 1, so it is unsuccessful event. So change the probe number. So it is 66 comma 1. So now 66 mod with 13. So this is our h1 and plus I. So I is what 1 in this case, तो हमें h2 भी लिखना पड़ेगा. h2 क्या है? h2 is 1 plus key is what 66 and mod with 11. Okay, and finally mod the complete thing with 30. So this completely is what? This is our h2. So calculate it. So it is 1. So this will results you 1 plus it is 1 multiplied with it is 0, so it is 1, so it is 2 overall, 2 mod 13. So 2 mod 13 will be 2. Yeah, of course, a space is available, so 2. So finally no clashing or no collision is there. So 66 will be stored at second position. Okay, so this is the case. Now सपोज कॉलिजन्स की बात कर लेते हैं. नंबर ऑफ कॉलिजन्स है ना. सो ऑब्जर्व वेरी केयरफुली हाउ मेनी कॉलिजन्स आर देयर. सो नंबर ऑफ कॉलिजन्स. सो नंबर ऑफ कॉलिजन्स अगर हम पहले से देखें तो यहाँ कोई कॉलिजन नहीं हुआ. 79, 69, 72, 98 के केस में एक कॉलिजन हुआ था, है ना. 98 के केस में एक कॉलिजन हुआ था. देयर इज वन कॉलिजन इन केस ऑफ 98 एंड फॉर 14 so it is 2 collision, and for 15 no collision, and for 16 1 collision. So overall collisions are what? 4 number of collisions are there. Okay, so these questions are very important and they may ask in different examinations. So hope that you are getting this. So note, in double hashing secondary clustering is almost eliminated. So there is no secondary clustering because we are using double formula, but there is a possibility of secondary clustering sometimes. This may be the case that sometimes there may be a possibility of secondary clustering. Okay, because we are using two different formulas, that's why. So average case searching time using double hashing is constant, it is order of 1. So now we are at our required position. So what is the objective of goal of hashing? So the goal of hashing is what? The searching time must be constant, that is order of 1 searching time. Now weakness of hashing. So there are some weakness. First weakness is, for any choice of hash function there exists bad set of keys that all set hash to same slot. मतलब आप कोई भी हैश फंक्शन ले लें, कुछ कीज ऐसी होंगी जिनको आप मैप कर रहे हैं कि वो सेम स्लॉट पर ही जाएंगी. सो देयर इज अ चांस ऑफ कोलिजन. सो देयर दिस इज वीकनेस. सेकंड इज व्हाट? सॉल्यूशन टू दिस प्रॉब्लम इज पिक हैश फंक्शन रैंडमली. दिस काइंड ऑफ हैशिंग इज कॉल्ड व्हाट? यूनिवर्सल हैशिंग. So if you pick up hash function what? Randomly, so then this is known as, this hashing is known as what? Universal hashing. So what is the solution means? अगर जो है कई सारी कीज ऐसी हैं जिनके लिए आप कोई भी हैश फंक्शन लें उसके लिए बैड कीज का सेट बोलेंगे जो कि सेम स्लॉट पे जाएंगे. सो देयर इज अ चांस ऑफ कोलिजन. सो द सॉल्यूशन इज दैट पिक अप अ रैंडम हैश फंक्शन. But what will happen in that case? So that particular solution is known as what? That particular hashing is known as universal hashing. Okay. Now one more interesting, perfect hashing. So what will be perfect hashing? Observe very carefully. So perfect hashing. So perfect hashing, the goal of perfect hashing is what? Worst case time complexity is what? Constant. So in case of what? Double hashing, average case time complexity is order of 1. But worst case अगर 1 हो जाए, that means that is ultimate thing, है ना? That is the beauty, that perfect hashing is always having constant time. Now observe carefully, there are some keys given that h of 1, अगर आप 1 की है 10 की है, तो अगर आप 1 करेंगे या 10 करेंगे तो वो कहाँ जाएगा? 0th पे. तो 0th पे हमने ऑलरेडी यहाँ 0th पे एक हमने हैश फंक्शन लगाया हुआ है h0. ठीक है, तो 0 पे हमने h0 फंक्शन लगाया हुआ है जो कि क्या करेगा आपका, है ना. तो वो ये क्या है? ये this is what? This is again a small hash table. So this is our original hash table. So this is what? This is a small hash table. Small hash table. Okay, and this h0 is what? This h0 is what? हैश formula for individual set, has function, different has function for each, different has function for each cell. Okay, now observe carefully what will be the case of perfect hashing. That यहाँ h of for example there is indexing, like it is 0 1 2 3 4 5 like this है ना. तो h of 1, तो फॉर एग्जाम्पल यहाँ 1 की के लिए कहाँ स्टोर किया है, यहाँ पे. ठीक है, तो मीन्स आपने h of 0 लगाया किस पे, h of 0 लगाया 1 पे. h of 0 1 ने कहाँ स्टोर किया, 0 पे स्टोर किया. ठीक है, और साथ में आपने से फॉर एग्जाम्पल ये आपका ब्लैंक हो गया, ये ब्लैंक हो गया, ये ब्लैंक हो गया और ये ब्लैंक. सपोज आपका 10 जो है वो 4 पे स्टोर हुआ, तो आपने अगेन ये जो हैश फंक्शन लगाया, इंडिविजुअल हैश फंक्शन, दैट इज एच नॉट. एच नॉट हैश फंक्शन आपने लगाया किस पे, 10 पे, तो उसने आपको कहाँ स्टोरेज दिया, दैट विल गिव यू 4 एज द स्टोरेज. ओके, दैट्स व्हाई if you observe carefully in this diagram, if you observe very carefully in this diagram, then 0th पे क्या आया है, 0th पे this 1 will be stored and at location 4 this will be stored. Okay, so this is the case, means individually आप separate hash functions use कर रहे हैं. For example ये second पे कौन कौन मैप हुआ है, तो this will be h2. so h2 की अगर मैं बात करूं, so this is h2. For example this is 0 1 2 3 4 5, this may be 6. ठीक है, तो यहाँ आपने h2 जब अप्लाई किया किस पे, h2 9 पे अप्लाई किया, तो h2 9 ने मे बी आपको दिया है 1 पे. ठीक है, तो 9 आपका कहाँ होगा, 1 पे. ठीक है, और आपने h2 अप्लाई किया व्हाट, 60 पे, सो मे बी इसने आपको दिया 4 पे. ठीक है, 60 है ना, अलॉटेड एट 4, और आपने h2 आपने अप्लाई किया 72 पे, सो मे बी जो भी हैश फंक्शन के अकॉर्डिंग उसने कैलकुलेट करके दिया है, हैश फंक्शन इट मे बी एनीथिंग है ना, सो 6. so for example 72 will be stored at 6. Okay, so this is the case. Now that is what, fifth pair. So for example this is h5 and fifth pair h5. Now observe carefully. So there may be, let us suppose only 3 steps are there. So h of h5 आपने अप्लाई किया किस पे, 1 पे, तो 1 पे h5 उसने दिया 0, और h5 आपने अप्लाई किया व्हाट, 70 पे, so this will return you 2, say for example 2. ओके, तो यहाँ क्या हुआ अल्टीमेटली कि आपका यहाँ 1 जो है 1 कहाँ स्टोर होगा, 0th पे, और 70 कहाँ स्टोर होगा, सेकंड पे, सो दिस प्लेस विल बी एम्प्टी. सो दिस इज नोन एज परफेक्ट हैशिंग है ना. सो द थ्योरेटिकल पार्ट इज ऑलरेडी गिवन, वो जो मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया आपको, इंस्टेड ऑफ मेकिंग लिंक्ड लिस्ट ऑफ कीज है ना, हैशिंग टू सेम स्लॉट j, so we will use a small secondary hash function hj with associated hash table है ना, hash table mj. तो यहाँ हमने क्या किया कि ये जो हैश टेबल थी इसमें एक अलग से सेपरेट हमने इंडिविजुअल सेल के लिए एक डिफरेंट हैश फंक्शन यूज किया है ना, दैट इज रिटर्न. सो दिस प्रोसेस इज नोन एज व्हाट, परफेक्ट हैशिंग. दिस पर्टिकुलर प्रोसेस इज नोन परफेक्ट हैशिंग. And what about the time complexity? So time complexity for perfect hashing is what, constant. Now there are some notes that total number of collisions in second level hashing is maximum half. ठीक है, अगर सेकंड लेवल हैशिंग पे जाते हैं आप, तो टोटल नंबर ऑफ कॉलिजन्स कितने होते हैं, मैक्सिमम हाफ हो सकते हैं. ठीक है, नंबर ऑफ कॉलिजन्स एट ऑल, ओवरऑल कॉलिजन्स. सो दिस इज फर्स्ट पॉइंट. सेकंड पॉइंट इज द वर्स्ट केस टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी ऑफ परफेक्ट हैशिंग इज कांस्टेंट, सो दैट वी ऑलरेडी सॉ. ओके, नाउ इंपॉर्टेंट, these formulas are asked in many examinations. और प्रॉब्लम्स बेस्ड ऑन दीज फॉर्मूलाज आर आस्क्ड इन मेनी एग्जामिनेशन. लाइक नंबर ऑफ कीज अगर हम अज्यूम करते हैं n, साइज ऑफ हैश टेबल अगर हम अज्यूम करते हैं m, ठीक है, तो लोड फैक्टर क्या होगा, रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय अल्फा, सो अल्फा इक्वल्स टू n डिवाइडेड बाय m. सो व्हाट इज n डिवाइडेड बाय m? n इज द कीज, नंबर ऑफ कीज एंड साइज ऑफ टेबल, है ना. मींस उस टेबल में हम कितनी कीज को लोड कर सकते हैं, दैट इज लोड फैक्टर, है ना. ओपन एड्रेसिंग में क्या होता है, लोड फैक्टर इज ऑलवेज लेस देन 1, ठीक है. लेस देन 1 मतलब आप टेबल का साइज बहुत ही बड़ा रखते हैं एज कंपेयर टू नंबर ऑफ कीज, बिकॉज नंबर ऑफ n बाई m में अगर n आपका स्मॉल होगा, m बड़ा होगा, देन ओनली दिस विल बी लेस देन 1. ओके, सो ओपन एड्रेसिंग में क्या होता है कि आपका टेबल का साइज विल बी, है ना, फार बेटर, फार लार्जर एज कंपेयर टू नंबर ऑफ कीज. दैट्स व्हाई द लोड फैक्टर इज व्हाट, load balancing factor or load factor in open addressing is less than 1. Now the expected number of probes means attempts, the expected number of probes in an unsuccessful search, so what will be that? So that is 1 divided by 1 minus alpha, or other way of saying 1 divided by 1 minus n divided by m, or it can also be written as m divided by m minus n. So all these are same. Okay, means expected means we are calculating the some probabilistic nature. So expected number of attempts in an unsuccessful search means unsuccessful रहा तो expected number of, an average number of कितना निकलेगा, so like 1 upon 1 minus alpha. But in successful search, so expected number of probes in successful search will be what, so it is 1 by alpha into, so this is ln is what, natural logarithm of 1 divided by 1 minus alpha. So this ln is what, natural log. So these two formulas are very important. Okay, this formula as well as this formula. Okay, these are directly asked in any exam. Like unsuccessful search में number of probes कितने हो सकते हैं, expected number, so 1 upon 1 minus alpha. Alpha we know load factor or load balancing factor, it is n by m, and successful search में 1 by alpha, natural log of 1 upon 1 by 1 minus alpha. Okay, so I hope that hashing is clear to you people, and finally we are at the end of this lecture. Okay, and hope you all enjoyed this data structure session and data structure subject. So all the videos are very much helpful and useful. So those who are new and watching the videos random fashion, so there is a suggestion that watch the videos from the starting onwards. So this is the completion of data structure, and whatever the small 1 or 2 topic may be left in case of, like for example graphs and other things, so that I will cover in design and analysis of algorithm or analysis part. Okay, so because data structure and algorithm is a combo pack or some sort of combination, it is a combined subjects. So hope that you are getting all the things, and I will clarify all your doubts in algorithm. Okay, so enjoy the learning, and if you are learning and liking the quality of these contents, then like, subscribe and share this channel with your learning community, so that other will also get benefited by the same. And happy learning to all of you. Stay safe.